take care of the
do
skin.
the frankincense because we know we need to understand how to use frankincense oil.
Frankincense oil, what you want?
What is that?
Frankincense, typically frankincense is cancer oil.
Yes.
Wow.
For cancer patient,
Yes.
frankincense, normally I call them two way. One, you put in a tongue, 2 drops, 3 times a day.
Yes.
Okay,
Just drop in your tongue, underneath your tongue.
2 drops.
2 drops.
But once you start it, first day, second day, third day,
Really?
goes out.
Go to your
That is very good for breast cancer.
Oh.
Second,
Yes.
you put frankincense with the aloe, the carrier oil, coconut oil.
Okay.
Put it on the here.
Oh, yeah.
Which one? The frankincense?
And
All the
coconut
time
oil.
coconut oil.
And mix it with that.
You rub it.
With the frankincense.
Yeah.
Mix
here,
together. Mix together.
Center.
So
right here we have
Heart.
immune
Immune system?
system.
Oh, okay, okay. Good, good, good.
For immune system.
and woman with a problem with lower part. You have to put a frankincense, coconut oil, and also eucalyptus.
Eucalyptus,
Eucalyptus
yeah.
oil.
Some like
Eucalyptus
eucalyptus.
Oh.
on the foot,
Yes. Oh, the food.
On the feet.
on the feet,
Okay.
2 or 3 times a day
Nighttime.
What is it for?
I just.
for cancer patient.
That's for cancer. Put on your feet.
Cancer for baby house.
Oh. พวกมดลูก
Oh, okay.
Because right now, a lot of women has a serious problem
Oh.
because of a champagne cosmetic.
Oh. How about skin? How do you do?
Skin issue is a several problem. Like
Yes, sir.
like a pram, she has an uneven texture,
Yeah, yeah. How can I?
sunburn, and the aging spot,
Yeah.
all this.
How can I?
But
Fix it. Yeah. How do?
It takes a long time to use oil to remove everything.
Okay.
But like I said, 2-minute gel every other day. White people every day, and with a supplement.
Can we get a box to go on?
And then how are we seeing these for you guys? Each person?
I don't know. Hey Lori, how are we gonna pay? Per table or
I already gave you yours.
Yeah, they did ours individually over there.
Send
over there?
for that.
This hours? Let me give a check right now. You closing?
Oh no, I'm just, you can hang out.
All right.
You don't have to, right?
Oh, yeah. Thank you. I almost feel like a pro.
Oh, yeah.
Can I touch it? Can I touch your thing? Anyway, so that's for the cancer patient. But skin,
Next time.
you,
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Skin
for
right now.
skin issue, I'd rather go with instead of oil.
Yes.
Oil is cannot be primary because I tested.
Yes.
It takes too long time.
Yeah.
If you remove
We want to go
some
faster. Yeah.
2-minute gel,
Okay. One.
like we have a new cleanser, 2-minute gel, and supple.
Okay.
3 products. It's very good. Remove make the same even skin tone. But if we have a scar, like a pimple,
Yes.
blemish issue,
Yeah. That was so sad.
blemish issue is I'll recommend some exploiting. We don't have it.
Exfoliate.
Exploiting is way better. Exploiting, there are 3 different acids. Lactic acid, and glycolic acid, and there's another acid. So all 3 different kinds. Lactic acid is very molecular, is very tight.
Oh.
So you just try with a peel off, gradually, not strong.
Yeah, I try it.
Strong, start with a 20%, 30%, 50%.
Yeah.
Actually, the woman's skincare industry,
Yeah.
Obadi is primary product.
Oh, Baji?
Yeah, Obadi.
No, don't work for me.
You don't work for you?
No.
But
Anyway, just to your answer question.
Yeah.
And then, if you want to use almond oil for skin,
Yes.
for skin always
Yes.
frankincense, tea tree, lavender, rosemary,
Okay.
and one other.
Man, 5 of them already.
There's one more.
So many oil, huh?
This 5 kinds is for good for skin.
Skin.
Basically, frankincense
The best.
and tea tree and lavender.
What about
3
the
oil
Okay.
with is make healthy skin
Add
tone.
all together and then
All
you just-
together, mixed
and then
together
you
with the
just
coconut
put
oil.
on the top.
Coconut oil 5
5.
and 2 drops of each
Okay.
every day. And apply in
Apply your face.
Nighttime.
Nighttime.
yeah, leave it on.
Leave it on.
And
No wash it, right?
I usually leave it on for testing like 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock.
Oh.
Because right before bed, then your pillow will be slippery.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Vinyl.
And it makes it so fun.
So,
Right after sunset,
uh,
you put it on.
oh,
Make sure you clean your very nice, very thoroughly,
oh, clean first.
and then you put it on. And then you wait 3 hours, 4 hours later, you slip it. And for remove some age spot,
Yes.
wrinkle, you need to use either lemon, tangerine, or orange, or lemongrass. But lemongrass very very strong, so you have to mix with the other your night cream. Lemongrass is very strong, so that is making whitening.
Oh.
Whitening oil is all the citrus,
Yeah.
but citrus oil is one bad problem. When you put a citrus oil, when you hit the sun,
Yeah.
it becomes dark.
Oh,
So always at night. So,
stay home and do
but
it.
lemon oil, all the citrus oil has a whitening effect, and lemongrass is the strongest one,
Oh yeah.
and then lemon. Our lemon is very
Lemongrass.
strong.
I didn't know how much money I made. And they sent me a check. $100,000.
So we're gonna have a question a little bit. I'll stop this one a little
I
bit.
didn't even
I heard
We
it.
have